Welcome back to San Antonio. The art, tradition, and culture of the American West is like none other. And there's a new museum in San Antonio that would be a great stop for anyone in town for the Cattle Industry Convention. Cattleman to Cattleman reporter Sharon Alseth takes us inside the Briscoe Western Art Museum.
Well, I think what we do here that's really special is to show that the American West is still alive and thriving. It's not just about history. While we have a lot of artifacts, even things that date back to the Alamo, Spanish colonial works, we also have a lot of contemporary paintings.
The building that opened as San Antonio's first central library back in 1930 is now home to the Briscoe Western Art Museum. The Art Deco neoclassical building houses art and artifacts not only representing the history of Texas, but that of cattle country and the great American West.
You know, San Antonio is one of the most iconic cities of the American West. Of course, everyone knows about the Battle of the Alamo, and the Alamo is just a couple blocks away from here. So there's really no better place for this museum. And even being right on the Riverwalk, on the San Antonio River, we're right next to one of the oldest known crossings. So literally thousands of cattle crossed right here by the museum. So there's a lot of history in this location.
The museum houses both original and replica pieces dating back to the mid-1800s. Popular exhibits throughout the 9 galleries include a recreation of the Battle of the Alamo and an authentic reproduction of a Wells Fargo stagecoach, as well as oil paintings, clothing, and more from the American West.
Yes, so right behind me is an authentic chug wagon by John Deere. It was owned by someone here in town who used to be or still is a champion chuck wagon cook. And in this gallery, it's the Governor Dolph Briscoe Jr. Gallery. The theme here is work. And so we've got the chuck wagon. You may hear the sounds behind me of a windmill that came from a ranch in New Mexico. And then other paintings that evoke work. And then also firearms, saddles, that type of thing.
There's also a beautiful sculpture garden that's perfect for enjoying the San Antonio weather, and an entire exhibit that focuses on saddles and spurs.
Just in this adjacent gallery is our San Antonio Livestock Show and Rodeo Saddles and Spurs Gallery, and we have 2 large cases, one that exhibits over 100 spurs, and then right across from it, one that exhibits different saddles, and including Pancho Villa's last known saddle that's in that gallery. There's so many great pieces. In the gallery next to us is the Enrique and Lydia Guerra and Family Gallery. He's a collector of the finest Spanish colonial Mexican pieces, and there's a saddle in that gallery from the 17th century. That is a Spanish saddle. It's actually embroidered silk. I mean, you'll never see anything like it here in the New World, as they say. So you'd have to go to Spain to see something like that. It's a really extraordinary piece.
So saddle up and consider a visit to the Briscoe Western Art Museum. Reporting from San Antonio, Texas, I'm Sharon Alseth for NCBA's Cattleman to Cattleman.